Hey, righty ho, neighbor. I'm feeding the ducks at the wildlife sanctuary. $1 for a little bag of corn. Wow. Look at all these creatures. Well, guys, that was fun. Look who we got behind us here. There's a rough-legged hawk. We'll take a real close-up of that baby. Look at that, what a beautiful bird. Well, let's go take a fast walk around. That exhibit is closed. What do we got here? Oh, we got looks like we got some red-tailed hawks here. Wow. Well, let's venture onward. Oh, looks like we have Mr. Owl there. Some type of an owl. And here it says a long-eared owl. Well, look at that fancy little creature. Yeah. Wow. Cool. I don't think we could see this little guy, but we'll try. Oh yeah. This is a eastern screech owl. Okay. Cool. Uh-oh, here's a big pen. Let's see what we got here. This should be interesting. A great horned owl. Where is it, Judy? Do you see it? Oh yeah. Look at that. He's cool. Wow, is this place something else? I've never been here, but I've always wanted to.
What's up there? What's those up there?
Is that neat or what?
What's those up there?
Yeah, yeah.
Some sort of a hawk.
Boston hawks.
Boy, here's a snowy owl. Look at him. Her, I don't know which one it is. Look at that. Is that a beautiful bird? Holy crap. Holy moly. And of course the barred owl.
I'm getting closer.
Oh yeah. That's what I wanted to see.
Captain America.
Hey, what do you think?
Awesome. I'm more of an Iron Man fan myself, but I like the Captain. He's a swell guy.
Yeah, he's a swell guy too. Thought if I'm gonna come and visit, I might as well be somebody important.
Well, we've got bald eagles over there.
Yeah, I
They're
see
very
that.
American. Don't get much more American than that.
No, no, we can't. Look at that. Bald eagle. Wow. Boy, is that a beautiful creature.
You guys don't like waking up early in the morning, right? I don't think anyone does.
Oh, here's Wisconsin's happy little badger. Look at you.
That's nice.
Look at them claws. Good old American badger. Well, there's a lot of interesting stuff here. And of course, little chipmunks running all over the place. That's kind of neat. Caution, slippery when wet. Alrighty. Well, lesser Canadian goose there. There's somebody sleeping. Of course, it's early in the morning. Feeding themselves. There's our wood duck. Oh, you look out the fence, just thousands and thousands of ducks. go take a look at the ducks again, and then we'll venture onward. Pull our way through here. Pull and push. Watch our step. Uh-oh, golden eagle. Wow. Let's look at that in exist. Look at that. Holy crap. I've never seen one. I have now. Wow. I am actually impressed. I am actually impressed. And of course in here, I don't know what that sign says, but if we can get a better shot at home, Mr. I'm trying to hide from me. What does that say? A peregrine falcon. Look at that. You get a better view of him through the cage there. Wow. I'm gonna have to make another stop here, people. There's just a lot here to see. Hey, y'all take care. Bye-bye then.